in Oregon asks, can you tell me more about Filipascan food? Sure! Let's see what my friends are cooking.
Kamusta, Molly?
I'm Manu.
I'm Laka, and this is Kalu, and our little sister, Tala.
This is my grandma. We call her Lola, which means grandma. We are Filipino and Filipino-Athabascan.
Right now, we're at Lola's house, and it's on Denali land.
My Lola is going to teach us how to make salmon lumpia. Lumpia is a traditional Filipino dish, and the salmon is from our Athabascan culture.
During the summer, we fished, we cut the salmon, and whatever's left on the bone, we scrape for lumpia. That way, we don't waste any bit of salmon.
The first step to making lumpia is to get all the ingredients. The carrots and salmon, onions, breadcrumbs, eggs, and mix. And mix and mix and mix. Next, we wrap the filling in kind of a rice paper. We're going to see who can roll the lumpia the fastest. Isa, dalawa, bato, go. Done.
Here.
You cook it on the pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Then you need to flip the lumpia over so one side doesn't get more cooked than the other. We know that they're ready because they get hard and crunchy. Woo! 5-second roll. And now the lumpia's done. We're gonna have a picnic outside.
Thank you. Masarap.
Really good.
Bye, Molly.
Bye, Mommy! Masicho!